here. So today I'll be doing a quick breakdown analysis on US30. So now this is my now on the 4 hour time frame. US30 has been trending upward because we've been having series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now uptrend is series of higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. Now that's what we're seeing here. Now US30 has been breaking structures to the upside. We have break of structure here, another break of structure here. Then another break of structure here, right? So obviously trend is an uptrend. US30 has been trending upward. So what we are expecting in this market is to look for buying opportunities. Now this morning I opened a trade from here. Actually it's hit my stop loss. So now I've identified my trend. Then the next thing is to look for my area of interest, my POI. That's my demand zone. Since we're in an uptrend, I'm looking for my demand zone. Now if you can see, here is a demand zone and it has what a valid fair value gap here. I have a value fair value gap around that zone, and also we have an imbalance from here. You can see this imbalance, this big movement you're seeing, this one and also this one you're seeing, that's an imbalance. So we have imbalance. We have what my area of interest, that's my demand zone. So on my 4 hour time frame, I'll mark out my demand zone. I said this is my demand zone here. Now for me, my demand zone, what I take is the last candlestick before the huge movement, right? The last candlestick before the huge movement. So this is my demand zone. I'll mark out from the week to week. I'll move on to my lower time frame, 2 hours, to look for another area of my area of interest, my demand zone, to look for other demand zone on the 2 hour time frame, the lower time frame. Now there is none here. You may think this one is, yeah, we can say it's a demand zone, but you can see obviously it has already tapped. Like it has already tapped into this my demand zone on the 4 hour time frame. So I'll mark it out as a valid demand zone. I'll use only my 4 hour demand zone, since this one is already, like, it has already created a wick here which already has tapped into this area you're seeing. So now that's my demand zone. Now what am I expecting in this market? I'm expecting market to form something like this. Market to come all this way, tap into my area of interest, then give me my liquidity, then sweep of liquidity, and then what, take my action from here. So when markets come, I'll move on to the lower time frames. To see break of structure. Whenever market tap into this area, I wait for that market to break structure, to see a change of character. I have to see series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs as the market is forming. Now you can see the major time frame is giving us a bullish, that series of higher highs, higher lows. Now but the minor, like the lower time frame now, is giving us series of lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, 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 and lower low, lower high. So after that, I wait for the market to create a change of character, to give me a series of higher highs, higher lows. So when the markets begin to be in alignment with my higher time frame, that's when I will get my entry. Now this area you are seeing here, this one you are seeing, will be our change of character. Now this is my 15 minutes change of character. So it will be my 15 minutes change of character. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do. Market should come all the way down here, tap into my zone, then I should see a change of character to the upside down when my lower time frame is in alignment with my higher time frame. My higher time frame trend is an uptrend. Then when my lower time frame is in alignment with my higher time frame, then that's when I know I should be looking for my entry. Then mostly I'll look for my entry after I see my sweep of liquidity. Let's say I see something around this area, sweep of liquidity around this area, and I see something down like this, then I know okay, there's already a sweep of liquidity, and I should be looking for my buying opportunities. So guys, that's that. You identify your trend. The first thing you do is you identify your trend. After you've identified your trend, then you look for what you mark out your area of interest, then either your supply or demand zone. Then you move on to the lower time frame to look for other areas, like to look for more of your area of interest, either your supply or demand zone. Then you look for the lower time frame, 15-minute time frame. So look for change of character. When you see your change of character and sweep of liquidity, then you get your entry from there. That's that, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, guys. See you in my next video. Peace out.